Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and write reviews on booking.com. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make some things very clear. You can't just randomly go onto booking.com and just drop some reviews. In order for you to go ahead and drop reviews, you would have to actually stay in the place and book it through bookings.com. And once that is done, they'll send you a email with a review invitation link, which you can simply go ahead and accept and write a review. Or if you don't have the email received already and you've already stayed somewhere from booking.com, all you need to do is just click on your account, click on booking and loyalty or booking and trips, and this is where your bookings and trips are going to be shown. Simply go ahead and click on the booking that you've already stayed at, and there's going to be a review tab. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.